My name is Mrs. Stallings, and I'm the Introduction to Engineering Design teacher. In this class, we learn problem-solving skills, teamwork skills, the 3D modeling software, which could be made into a career. We talk about career connections in the class, so a lot of good just life skills.
Here in Ms. Stallings' class and the Introduction to Engineering, we do 3D modeling, where, quite frankly, your dreams can become reality.
From this class, you can take engineering science, which is the continuation of this class. From there, you can get into the aerospace and then the practicum where they're actually building a two-seater plane.
Computer science is a really cool field. We are basically learning how to program code throughout multiple different facets. So you could be learning things like the introduction of cybersecurity, cryptocurrency, basically anything that has to do with programming code. We touch a little bit on it in this class. This could get you computer science introduction, like through that program, or even just like computer engineering. And then in the real world, this would be like software engineering, data analyst, cybersecurity, lots of big money fields. There's a lot of stigma behind it that you have to, be really knowledgeable and be really, really smart. But you just have to learn the basics, and from there, you'll be all right.
With the pathway, robotics 1 goes into robotics 2, and we're basically just talking about building robotics, the sensors, and how to code. Afterwards, you can get you to a degree where I think computer science, computer engineering.
I like to be creative and, create designs, sketch them out, and then create them. I think engineering, it's very fun. Even though the math is hard, everything else about it is pretty like, makes your mind, open up. You can create things that you want to create.
If you take the endorsement, you're doing the 4 years, you've done Introduction to Engineering Design, you've taken the engineering science, you've gone to aerospace, and then you go to the practicum in STEM, which is building the plane next door. You can transfer that either to an academic thing with a 2 or 4 year college, or you can get into drafting, or you can get into almost any engineering discipline, because you've seen how it's supposed to go. The whole basis of what we're doing is that this stuff isn't fixed. This isn't geometry where it was all settled back in prehistoric times or by the ancient Greeks. This is not a subject with limits. This is a subject that's continuing to expand and grow.